This is called the handle, this is called the strap. Now how to hold a track pole, let's go from top to bottom. Okay, here what you do is you put these 4 fingers in the strap and then you grab it here. Okay, and this is how you use the track pole. Why you don't do like this? Because if this track pole is stuck anywhere, you fall along with your track pole. But if you're just with the 4 fingers, okay, you walk something, your track pole is stuck, what you do is you just release it. You will not fall. Is that clear? That's how you use the track pole. After you put it on your eyelets, how much ever you pull, it's not going to be tightened. And do not tighten so much that you have blisters on your shoes. Do it moderately. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Once you tighten, put it in your eyelets, crisscross it. Right? Now how to make a knot? We normally make one simple knot like this, but here we're not going to make this simple knot. We're going to make that double. Okay, one simple knot like this, and then again put this inside another time, double time. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And you just tighten it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Tighten how much ever you want according to your tightness. Okay, after that what you do is you make a butterfly knot. Everyone knows how to do a butterfly knot,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You make it like this, right? But here make it double again. Alright, once you make it double, this is not going to come out anymore. This is called surgeon's knot. As we're starting a journey from here, we're going to cross the pass from Pawan Valley to Kinnaur Valley. I hope everyone makes it really successfully, safe and sound, without anything happening. So let's be a little spiritual in the mountains, because you know anything can happen in the mountains. Let's ask the blessings from the mountain gods that they keep us really safe and sound, nothing happens to us. We all complete that trip successfully. Take this moment to just pray to the mountain gods. Take a moment of silence. Slowly open your eyes. You have like 5 minutes. Fill your water bottles to whatever you want. 5 minutes, and after we take one group photo, and then we all start heading. You all have your eco bags. Going from Janglik to Burangati and going back home, posting in Instagram, done Burangati. It's not about that. When you come to the forest with me, if you enter from this side, you go with full of knowledge to the other side. Cheer pine, Devdar. So this wood is really strong. Okay, in during the time of British, this pine tree was used to make railway tracks and all these things. Even now they use it in the villages to make houses. This is one of the strongest plant or tree that you can find in the Himalayas, I'd say. And if you're going to touch those yellow thing, can you please touch that yellow thing? Sticky. Can you just smell it? Say hi to camera, everybody. So if you inside the tent it's too sunny, you can use this mesh net. All right. If you're daytime, if you're inside the tent, you can use this. Is that clear, everyone? Otherwise, just open this and keep, or you can be here. But whenever you come out of your tent, please make sure that you close the zips of the tent, because insects can go inside and anything can happen. If you're in the dining tent, it started raining and it can wet your things. So please make sure. There are pockets in the tent on the side. You put very light items. Okay. If you put heavy items, the inner and outer will get attached. So please do not do that. Okay. In the middle of the tent, you have a hook. Please make sure you put your head torch to lighten up your tent for the night. Is that clear, everyone? Okay.